Today is August 17, 2024, Nassau, Bahamas. Look at the sun. You ever see anything like that? I out to where they playing the ball game. Good job. See the light on my forehead? I can't see. What? Underneath there. I can't see in the camera. Luke chapter 21 and verse 27 and 28 tells us to look up our redemption, draweth nigh. Look up. What you bumping? Hey, look up. Hi, good. The national anthem tells us to raise our head to the rising sun, Bahamaland, till the road you trod lead unto your God. Tell people, tell the road you trod lead unto your God. I say, Father, why did you tell us to raise our head to the rising sun? And he gave me the answer. One thing he says is, ask and it shall be given to you. Seek and ye shall find. Knock and the door shall be open unto you. Psalms 19 tells us why he tells us to do that. The only nation in the world he's given that decree to is the Bahamas. Psalms 19 tells us why he tells us to raise our head to the rising sun. Bahamaland. Wow. Till the road you trod lead unto your God.